Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you a cool DIY project that you can make from any multimeter. To make it, you'll need a mobile phone charger case, which fits perfectly with its connectors. You need to drill 2 holes in the cover using a 5mm drill bit. And one of the holes should be rectangular, which I cut out using a soldering iron. This is how it turned out. Next, you'll need a piece of copper tubing and a section of a 5mm bolt. Place the tube on the bolt. And we need to make 2 of these parts. Now insert them into the housing and attach the wires to them. Put heat shrink tubing on each of the tubes. Insert the switch into the square hole. We will also need a 3.7 volt battery and a step-up voltage converter. Connect the battery to the converter through the switch. Now turn it on and set the output voltage to 35 volts. Take the second part of the case and connect the wires coming from the plug and the copper tubes to the output of the converter. The negative goes directly and the positive is soldered through a 10-ohm resistor. Now we put everything inside the case, close the lid and tighten the screws. There you go, the DIY project is finished. Now watch how it works. We take a multimeter, disconnect the probes, and insert our device instead. Then we connect the probes to the connector we made from copper tubes. Set the multimeter to measure DC voltage and turn on the switch. Now take any LED, connect it to the probes, and this way we can find out if it works and what its voltage is. As you can see, the LED is rated at 2.7 volts. And this LED is rated at 2.6 volts. Also, with this homemade device, you can check Zener diodes and find out their voltage. As you can see, the homemade device works great, and you can also use this device to test LEDs from light bulbs. I'm happy with how the homemade device works. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.